Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to verify personal account on Wise. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. But before we go further, make sure to check out the link in the description below so you can start a quick sign up process. So this is what we are going to do over here so you can start from the beginning. So what you need to do, just click on register and after that select your email address obviously from over here. So I'm going with the Google account and here you can select your personal account over here, and it goes with the same with business account, so you can go either way. I would prefer go for the personal account at the start, and if you want to switch later on you can also do that. After that just select your country and click on continue, and here you can see this is the first process of verify your phone number with a code. Provide your phone number and then they will send you a verification code. After verification code, they might ask you two things which is very important. Make sure to have those things. What are they? These are the things which they will ask. Upload a clear photo or a scan of your government issued photo ID such as passport, national ID card or driver license. Once you see this option, make sure to upload any one of them, and after that they will ask you for a selfie. So make sure to upload both of them, and after that your Wise personal account will be verified. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to verify personal account on Wise. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.